Miss Felicia is not leaving any crumbs on the table. She has a whole plan as to what she's going to say to America and Corey.
I told Corey in America I'd talk to him tomorrow. I said, I want to talk to you today, but I'll talk to you tomorrow sometime. I said, it's best that we not chat today, but I'll get with you tomorrow. And I'm going to talk to him separately.
Because she is about to check them. She going to check them. She is going to tell them separately what is on her mind.
Because I'm going to ask America, first of all, what made you feel like you needed to say anything to me? Because my whole conversation was really geared at Corey.
Miss Felicia she's like, I know I'm going, so you know what? I ain't going out without telling them how it really T.I. is.
And so why did you think you needed to come at me and attack me? That's why I went at you. Because this conversation really wasn't even about you. All I was saying is what I said to you.
You got too much head to be stupid.
I said, and then you felt the need to go on an attack. I guess protecting your man that clearly didn't protect you.
She's like, this is how it is and how it's going to be. She is not going out without a fight. But
wait. And all I'm going to say to her is, girl, you don't ever get to come at me like that.
I knocked them dead teeth out your mouth. How you looking like a Hollywood pumpkin? Wow.
Because I didn't come at you like that. And everything I said about Corey is true. He been lying, cheating, stealing, and listening to the walls this whole season.
Like that. I said what I said.
So what was the point in you saying anything to me?
Oh, snap.
That's going to basically be my conversation. She'll be pissed off. I even told her, I said, oh, I know you're mad.
You ate that.
It's okay. I'll talk to you tomorrow.
like, America, I don't think you're ready for Miss Felicia. She has 30 years of reading under her belt. She was a cop and she's a veteran.
You can never be my opponent, sweetie.
I don't think you're ready for that jelly, America, that is Miss Felicia. And you trying to protect Corey, who did not protect you. So, she gonna let him know. But she's not going out gracefully, everybody. Unfortunately, as an elder, you would think that she would have the emotional intelligence to just, go out gracefully.
Looks like Mama gonna have to teach you some manners.
Okay, come on, Mama.
You don't ever come in my house acting like no fool.
And, just leave, bow down. But she's like, Big brother, y'all want a show? I'm about to give you a show.
Showtime.
And guess what? Unfortunately, once Miss Felicia walks out the door, that might be the last entertainment that we see. Because these people are boring as all get out. They're boring. I mean, Felicia is the entertainment. All Cerie does is sit in her robe and eat popcorn and and wait for people to come to her. Matt and Jag are bores, And speaking of Matt was sitting in the hammock just spilling the beans to America.
I was like, I've been trusting Cam more and more.
Yeah.
And it was during his second HOH that I really started talking straightforward with him and no bullshit. Let's talk. Let's talk it out. And I know he didn't trust me a lot because he thought that I would spread things around the house.
Right here. Sheree brings back the true tea. Nina.
Yeah.
But it's I just want, I believe him, and he's a great competitor.
Yeah, he is.
So why not have him?
But we just know he's gonna win the whole fucking thing if he stays in.
Do you really trust her? Matt, have you no sense? And I know you're gonna say, "Oh, you're ableist. He's disabled. He can't hear." But he should have some sense to keep his mouth closed. But they're all not ready for Miss Felicia. And that's why they're probably getting rid of her, because they don't understand Felicia's power. They don't understand the strength of Felicia and her tooth.
Where's my tooth?
It's a family tooth.
Once Felicia and that tooth walk out the door, the show is already a snooze fest. It's really going to be a cure for insomnia. It already is. You sit on the feeds. The only reason why I don't fall asleep to the feeds is because I don't want to be awakened by that jarring "we'll be right back" music. But this show is so boring. They need to fast track it on out of here once Miss Felicia leaves out that door, because nobody's entertaining. No one is entertaining but Miss Felicia. Anyhow, drop into the comments and tell me what you think. Do you think this is a good move or a bad move for Miss Felicia to read them to filth? All right, like and subscribe.